Call in the chopper. Grand Canyon, Arizona. 6 days and nights and 189 miles later, the river run was done. Climbing the canyon walls was not a wise choice, so we called in the chopper to speed us out of the canyon's grass. Lifting off the landing pad, we waved a final goodbye to those continuing down the lower canyons. The heat of the day had left a lingering aroma around the camp. Dreams of showers and bubble baths ran through our heads as we evacuated the campsite. Only a helicopter could rise quickly enough to clear the ceiling of the canyon cliffs. But even with our powerful blades, we only clear the top by a whisker of an antler. Traversing the plateau, we experienced the sheer drops down the many canyon sides which fed into the main waterway. Call in the chopper. Win 3 gold.